Hi, I'm Liz from Riverside Energy. We're always finding ways to give back to the community, and this year we're proud to have donated and installed 10 solar panels for the BC Wildlife Park.
We were super excited. I've looked at solar in the past, and it's been something I've wanted us to do out here. We've never really been able to come up with a budget to make it happen for us, so having the offer of 10 panels from Riverside Energy was just really exciting for us. Long-term wise, this is really going to help with our sustainability goals. We're working towards a pretty exciting certification that we're hoping to have done by the end of the year, and this will be a big part of getting us there. Staff is super excited. I've had multiple ones come up to me and ask me where they can get their own and who they talk to, contact information for somebody to speak to about having them installed at their house. We're hopeful that by having panels here at the park, we can use that to educate our guests and how affordable, how easy it is to use, and how user-friendly the system is these days. Our main message, conservation through education. We work to protect local wildlife and BC's wildlife by educating the people that come through our doors as our guests on how special and how important it is for us to take care of our natural environment. The team at Riverside Energy has been absolutely amazing to work with. From first contact right through to installation, the crew was amazing. They were on point, safe, on time, really communicated well. Couldn't be happier with the experience with Riverside Energy. You're considering getting solar, definitely get in contact with these guys. They did an amazing job and they're just great people to work with.
Thank you, Riverside.
Thank you, Riverside.
Thank you, Riverside.
Thank you.
Learn more by checking out our website, riversideenergy.ca.